Your doctor has recommended a subacromial decompression, also known as keyhole shoulder surgery. The rotator cuff is a name given to a group of muscles and tendons around the shoulder. If one or more of these is injured, it may cause pain and loss of shoulder movement. The rotator cuff tendons of the shoulder can become inflamed or irritated for a number of reasons, particularly if bone spurs develop. This keyhole operation involves making small cuts around the joint to insert a camera and instruments. Shaving the bone spurs allows the tendons to move smoothly. The surgeon will test the smoothness of movement before finishing. The cuts are then closed with sutures. The contents of this video are a general depiction of this procedure and the risks involved. It's not necessarily accurate for your personal situation. Information specific to your individual circumstances is listed in the written consent information sent to you by your healthcare team.